The drone and camera community is buzzing again, and this time it's not just because of one product. DJI, the industry giant in consumer and professional drones, has let a few things slip whether intentionally or not, and the leaks are sparking a tidal wave of speculation. From the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro to the pocket-sized Osmo Nano action camera, 2025 looks set to be a landmark year for the company. This article will unpack everything we know so far, sift through the rumors, and help you get a clear picture of what's coming. Strap in, because the next generation of DJI tech is closer than you think. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, a new era in compact drones. A teaser from Brazil sets the stage. It all began with a bold teaser from a Brazilian reseller, DJI, who revealed that the DJI Mini 5 Pro would make its debut on September 17, 2025, at least in Brazil. The post grabbed attention instantly with the striking phrase, "He has arrived." According to the teaser, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just another iteration, it's branded as a new generation of technology. Drone enthusiasts immediately took notice. The Mini 4 Pro, released in 2023, was already a huge hit for its blend of professional-grade features packed into a sub-2 9G frame. The Mini 5 Pro, according to the teaser, promises to raise the bar even higher with new sensors, propeller technology, longer flight times, and possibly groundbreaking AI-assisted features. Propellers, noise ratings, and EU compliance from leaked images. One of the first noticeable upgrades is the twist on-off propeller system. This new design should make it quicker and safer to swap out blades, especially for those who fly regularly. Replacement propellers are rumored to cost $19 per set or $69 for the full quick-release guard kit. Another subtle but important detail is a printed noise rating of 81 decibels on the underside of the drone. This isn't just a random number, it ensures compliance with strict European Union drone regulations. Interestingly, early reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro might actually run quieter than advertised, giving DJI a safe margin for certification while keeping neighborhood flights discreet. A game-changer for endurance. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping leak comes from the box art itself. Printed boldly on the packaging is 52 minutes times 3. That strongly suggests the Fly More combo will include 3 batteries, each rated for up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. For perspective, most drones in this size class average around 30 to 40 minutes per battery. If these numbers hold true, pilots could get well over 2.5 hours of total flight time with a single kit. That's a huge leap in endurance, transforming the Mini 5 Pro from a convenient travel drone into a serious tool for extended shoots. Staying under 249 grams, the COLA of the Mini series' strongest selling points has always been its weight. Staying under the 249 grams limit allows users in many countries, including the United States, to avoid cumbersome registration requirements. The Mini 5 Pro proudly displays the CO sticker on its body, confirming that DJI has once again engineered professional capabilities into a drone that slips under regulatory thresholds. For casual flyers, this means a skip-the-fee paperwork perk. For professionals, it ensures maximum flexibility when traveling internationally. The DJI RC2 controller, no phone required. Another highlight spotted on the leaked packaging is the inclusion of the DJI RC2 controller in the standard bundle. Unlike previous generations that required pilots to mount a smartphone, the RC2 comes with a built-in screen, eliminating setup hassles and reducing distractions. This shift also signals DJI's intent to make even their lightweight consumer drones feel professional right out of the box. No juggling apps, no draining your phone battery, just pure focus on flying. FCC clearance and the US market question. While the teaser came from Brazil, documents reveal that the DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission (FCC). This strongly implies DJI intends to launch it in the American market. However, there's a wrinkle. Ongoing trade restrictions and import challenges linked to the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act (UFLPA) have disrupted DJI's supply chain in the US. Major retailers like Best Buy and B&H have faced intermittent stock shortages. That said, DJI has repeatedly stated it has no intention of pulling out of the US market. So, while availability might be limited at first, FCC clearance suggests American customers will eventually get their hands on the Mini 5 Pro, likely around the same mid-September global launch window. What this means for pilots if all the leaks line up with reality: the Mini 5 Pro will deliver longer flights than any previous mini drone, quieter, EU-compliant operation, improved propeller technology for convenience and safety, under 249 grams certification for easy compliance, professional-grade controller included as standard. In short, this is shaping up to be the most capable ultralight drone ever built. The Osmo Nano, DJI's pocket-sized disruptor. As if the Mini 5 Pro hype wasn't enough, DJI also seems to be preparing a second bombshell: the Osmo Nano. Unlike the drone, this leak was a little messier, with DJI themselves accidentally spilling the beans. Leaked through DJI's own campaign, Osmo Nano first appeared unexpectedly during the DJI Mavic 3 promo video under the Own the Moment campaign. Sharp-eyed viewers spotted a mysterious, ultra-compact camera in the background. Soon after, more images surfaced online, and well-known leaker Jasper Ellens confirmed it was indeed the Osmo Nano. To add fuel to the fire, listings for the device briefly appeared on European web shops, all but confirming its existence, official launch date, and pricing. According to multiple leaks, the Osmo Nano will launch on September 10, 2025, 1 week before the Mini 5 Pro event. Pricing is expected to start at €369 for the 64GB version and €399 for the 128GB version. Conveniently, this positions the Osmo Nano directly against Insta360's Go 3S, a wearable action cam in the same price range. A new magnetic design philosophy. What sets the Osmo Nano apart is its magnetic main camera module. Unlike traditional clip-on designs, the Nano features magnetic surfaces on multiple sides with switchable polarity. In practical terms, this means creators can snap the camera onto metal surfaces, mounts, or DJI's new wearable lanyard system in virtually endless configurations. It's a radical step toward frictionless creativity. Instead of fiddling with mounts and cases, you just stick it and shoot. Compact yet feature-packed. Despite its ultra-small form factor, the Nano is shaping up to be more than a novelty. Leaks suggest it will offer 64GB or 128GB built-in storage, an old HD touchscreen for controls and preview, rapid charging 80% in just 20 minutes, expandable storage via microSD card, eye-powered stabilization. Optional wireless microphone support. Accessories will play a big role too. Expect a clip mount, suction mount, GoPro-compatible adapters, and that innovative magnetic lanyard system. Designed for lifestyle creators, the Osmo Nano isn't built for those who want to carry heavy gear and configure endless settings. It's meant for people who want to document their lives effortlessly. Think of it as a stylish magnetic fashion pin that doubles as a powerful action camera. Because it's so discreet, some even joked that it could be mistaken for a clothing accessory. Just be careful not to toss it into the laundry by accident. A potential DJI ecosystem breakthrough for FAPS. The most exciting rumor is that the Osmo Nano could sync with DJI drones. Imagine attaching the Nano to your body for POV footage, while simultaneously flying your Mini 5 Pro, and then merging both feeds seamlessly in post-production. If true, this would open up entirely new creative workflows, uniting DJI's aerial and wearable ecosystems. The bigger picture, DJI's strategy for 2025 taken together, the Mini 5 Pro and Osmo Nano represent two sides of DJI's evolving strategy. On one hand, the Mini 5 Pro pushes aerial technology to new heights, making professional quality flight accessible to more people than ever. On the other hand, the Osmo Nano reimagines personal storytelling, competing head-to-head with Insta360 and GoPro by offering simplicity, style, and seamless usability. Both products reinforce DJI's core philosophy: technology should disappear into the background, letting users focus purely on creating. Final thoughts: next few weeks are going to be huge for DJI fans. With the Osmo Nano rumored to drop on September 10th and the Mini 5 Pro teased for September 17th, we're on the cusp of a dual launch that could reshape both the drone and wearable camera markets. If the leaks prove accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver unprecedented flight time and performance in a sub-249 grams body, while the Osmo Nano could revolutionize how we capture life on the go. One thing's for sure, DJI isn't just playing catch-up, they're rewriting the rules of what's possible in compact imaging technology.